Ito yung nakuha kong mga hits, yung mga magaganda sa Sun and Moon at XY Evolutions. Guys, Misty's Determination, Mewtwo, Misty's Determination full art, Mewtwo, Mela full art, ganun. Ayusin ko lang. Tapos Reshiram EX lang, Reshiram EX, Kyogre EX, Gyarados EX, ito Ninetales break card, Mega Slowbro EX, Rayquaza EX full art, Incineroar GX full art. Ito magaganda. Solgaleo GX full art, Espeon EX GX full art, Umbreon GX full art. Bye.